Okay, I'll go over a couple of problems that you'll have for homework today. We just looked at lesson 7.4 properties of log, the inverse property. So I'll go over a couple of those problems so you know how to do them for homework. These problems will be found on page 516. Okay, the first example is we are asked to simplify log base 2 of 8 raised to the third if possible. So we're working here with base 2. So we need to express this then in terms of base 2. So 8 to the third, well, 8 is equal to 2 to the third. And we're going to take 2 to the third and raise it to the third. And if you remember your rules for exponents, when you take a power and raise it to a power, you multiply the exponents. So 2 to the third will equal 2 to the ninth. So this will equal log base 2 of 2 raised to the ninth. Now remembering the inverse property for logs, which says log base b of b raised to the x is equal to x, this will just equal 9. Okay, so that's the first example. The next example is we have log base 1/2 of 0.125 raised to the fourth. Okay, again, we're working with base 1/2. So we have to write 0.125 in terms of 1/2, base 1/2. Now 0.125 is equal to 1 over 8. That's still not base 1/2, but 1/8 is equal to 1/2 raised to the third. Okay, so this here, so 0.125 becomes 1/2 raised to the third. So this will equal log base 1/2 of 1/2 raised to the third, but now we need to raise that to the fourth because there's our 4 right there. Can't forget that. So this will equal log base 1/2, and again we're taking a power 1/2 to the third and raising it to the fourth, so this will equal 1/2 raised to the 12th, which just equals 12. So final answer. Okay, so that was my final answer. For the first example, 9. For the next example, 12. Next example, again, we're using the inverse property for exponents, which says that b raised to log base b of x just equals x. So 3.5 raised to the log of 3.5 of 8, that just equals 8. That was easy to do. The next one, we're working with base 5, so we need to write 625 in terms of base 5. So 625 will equal 5 raised to the fourth. I believe, just let me verify with my calculator, 5 raised to the fourth is equal to 625. That's correct. So then this will equal log base 5 of 5 raised to the fourth, and that will just equal 4. The next one, log, this is a common log, okay? So remember, common logs are base 10, but we don't really write the base 10. Okay, so I need to write 10,000 in terms of base 10. Well, that equals 10 raised to the fourth. I have 4 zeros, so that's 10 to the fourth. If I had 3 zeros, that would be 1,000. That would be 10 to the third. If I had 100, 2 zeros, that would be 10 to the second. All right, and also then 0.10, that equals 1/10. So this will equal common log of 10 raised to the 4th, and we're going to raise that to the 1/10. So we have a little bit of multiplication to do. We're taking a power and raising it to a power. So 4 times 1/10 will equal 4/10, which equals 2/5. So this will equal log of 10 raised to the 2/5. And again, remember, we're working with common logs here. Log base 10 of 10. Right, and so this will just equal 2/5. Final answer. And lastly, we're asked for a change, to use the change of base. Okay, we're working with base 5, so log base 5 of 12, which we don't know. So we have to change that to common logs, use the change of base formula. So again, remember, this would be base 10 and that would be base 10, but we really don't write the base 10. And then with our calculator, we would just evaluate the common log of 12 divided by the common log of 5, and that would be approximately 1.54. And to verify, I could take 5 and raise it to the answer I just got, and that would equal 12. Okay, so there you go. So for homework then, do problems 7 through 18 and 26 through 34 on page 516. Tomorrow I'll post another video that will recap everything we've learned and what I expect from you guys to do when you come to school on Thursday. And I would say prepare for a quiz then as well. So make sure you watch the videos. I know we have days off, but we do have the luxury of being able to watch things online and to do work as well. So keep up with the work. It's going to be important.